Hello po sa inyong lahat and welcome back po dito sa AutoMathThink. So for this video po, ang pag-uusapan natin is multiplying polynomials. So sa pag-multiply po natin ng polynomials, meron po tayong tinatawag na FOIL. Okay? So ito po yun. Ayan siya, FOIL. Meaning, F stands for first. Itong blue, first term times the first term. So A times C. Next is the outer, meaning A times D. Next is the inners, itong brown, B times C, at saka lastly, itong last, meaning C, B, and D. So, yun po yung pattern kung paano po tayo mag-multiply ng polynomials. So, let's solve these practice problems. We have here 6V times the quantity 2V plus 3. So, ang pag-solve po nito, very simple. Itong 6V, i-distribute mo lang siya sa mga nasa parenthesis. So, 6V times 2V plus, kasi plus po yung nandyan, 6V times 3. Okay, so 6V times 2V, apply the properties of exponents, magiging 12V squared. Tapos yung isa, 3 times 6, that's 18. Then copy na natin si V. So yun po yung answer natin sa ating first problem. We have your second problem, negative 4 times the quantity V plus 1. So i-distribute pa rin po natin si negative 4. So negative 4 times V plus negative 4 times 1. So that's negative 4V plus negative 4. Okay? So, yun po yung answer natin sa ating second problem. Let's go to the third problem. So, dito po, ma-apply na po natin si FOIL. Meaning, first. So, si 2n times 6n. So, 2n times 6n. Tapos, si outer, meaning 2n times 1. So, plus naman yung mga arithmetic operation dyan. So, walang problema, plus lang. 2n times 1. Next is yung inner. So, meaning si 2 times 6n. So, plus 2 times 6n. Lastly, yung outer, 2 times 1. Okay, plus 2 times 1. So, that's 2n times 6n. That's 12n squared. 2n times 1 is still 2n. Tapos ito, 2 times 6n is 12n. Tapos 2 times 1 is 2. And then, let's combine 2n and 12n. So, copy 12n squared. 2n plus 12n is 14n plus 2. So, yan na po yung answer natin sa ating third problem. Let's go to our third problem. We have, again, first to first. So, 6 times 6x. Then, the outer, meaning x times negative 2x. So, take note po, negative po yan. So, minus 2 times x. Next is the inner, negative 3x times si 6x. So, negative po yan kasi minus po ang ating arithmetic operation. Pagkatapos, yung ating last, negative 3 times negative 2. Multiplying two negative number will result in a positive number. So, 2 times 3 po yan. Okay? So, 6x times x, that's 6x squared. Ito, negative 2x. Negative 3 times 3x. Negative 3 times 6x is negative 18x. Tapos, 2 times 3 is 6. So, let's simplify our answer. That's 6x squared. Negative 2 minus 18x. So, negative 2x minus 18x. So, minus 20x plus 6. So, yan na po yung answer natin sa ating fourth problem. So, last one is ito. So, same pa rin po. Magagamit pa rin po natin yung FOIL dito. I-distribute lang po muna natin itong unang term dito. So, n squared times 2n. Tapos si n squared ulit, multiply natin sa negative 4. So that's negative. So negative 4 times n squared. Or pwede po negative n squared times 4. So pagkatapos nung si 6n naman, multiply po natin yan. Plus 6n times 2n. Tapos si 6n times 4. Okay? Minus 6n times 4. Pagkatapos, ito na pong si negative 4, yung last term. That's negative 4 times 2n. And sa negative 4 times negative 4, that's positive. Okay? 4 times 4. So, distribute na natin siya. That's 2n cubed minus 4n squared. Okay? Plus 12n. And then, 12n squared, kasi n pala yan, n plus n equals n squared. Then, minus 24n. Tapos ito, minus negative 4 times 2, that's negative 8. Tapos copy lang natin si n. Tapos 4 times 4, that's positive 16. So, let's simplify. Wala pong kaparehas si n cubed. So, copy lang natin n cubed. Meron kaparehas si squared, n squared. So, negative 4 plus 12, that's positive 8. Okay? Tapos copy lang po natin si n squared. So, negative 24n. So, negative 24 minus 8, that's negative 32. Tapos, copy lang natin si n. Tapos, copy lang natin si plus 16. So, yun po yung answer natin sa ating last example. So, ganun lang po pag-multiply ng polynomials. If meron po kayong questions and meron po kayong gustong ipasolve, kindly put your problem on the comment section para po masolve po natin. So, I hope meron pa kayong natutunan in this video and see you po on my next video.